The rule of law is the glue that binds our union together. Those are your words, Madam von der Leyen.
The rule of law is the glue that binds our union together.
So why is it that in your eyes some people are more equal in law than others? Why is it that human rights are applicable in some conflicts but not others? Why are the lives of Palestinians not worthy of the same human rights, the same international law, the same humanity? We are witnessing the most documented genocide in history, and still there are no consequences for Israel. When you declared Europe stands with Israel, when you stood shoulder to shoulder with Netanyahu, you green-lighted this genocide. The double standards, the hypocrisy with how you reacted to the conflict in Ukraine compared to Gaza has done untold damage on the world stage to the European Union. There has been no sanctions, no suspension of trade. In fact, EU money and arms continues to flow to Israel. 40,000 civilians slaughtered, children burned alive in their tents, and still no consequences. Colleagues, today, say no to genocide and say no to von der Leyen.
I give the floor next to Christine Anderson.
I really have to wonder about the consistency of the ethics of EU foreign policy. It is utterly, utterly unconscionable that we can say on the one hand, we must investigate the war crimes and atrocities of Vladimir Putin and remain silent, as you did when you spoke in June in Israel beside the Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett and did not say a word, not a word, after we've had two devastating reports by Amnesty International, by Human Rights Watch, of 70 years of ongoing crimes against humanity, ethnic cleansing, apartheid, the siege of Gaza, a 15-year-long criminal action. Do we talk about investigating the war crimes of Israel? No. Do we sanction Israel for these crimes as we've sanctioned Russia? No. Instead, we continue to give them favoured trade status, import huge amounts of gas from Israel, deepen the relations, and engage in considerable military and defence trade with the state that is doing this to the Palestinians.
Thank you very much for receiving us here. And indeed, we are friends of Israel, and when a friend is under attack, we have to stand together. We stand by you. It was very important for us to come here today. Thank you very much for hosting us here. We have been this morning in the kibbutz.